Hi everyone. Just wanted to share a little something with you. I often say that blanks are not always created equally, and I wanted to explain and show you what I was talking about. So, um, this is a sample we received of a wind spinner, and this is one of the reasons it took us so long to have these in stock because I saw this sample and I thought, there's no way I'm ordering those. It's a thin aluminum, which I know that they're supposed to be on the thinner side, but to me, this just didn't look right. The cutting was not nice. It's not like even. And the color. So this one is what we have in stock. It's cut beautifully. The aluminum is a heavier aluminum, and the color is a bright white, where this one you can almost see through it. Yeah, these are all things to watch out for. This also happens with tumblers. I have tumblers from other suppliers on my shelf that I keep there for comparison, and you can see the difference in the coating color, and what that often means is that your the coating is very thin when you can see through it. So your images are not going to come out as vibrant as on a well-coated tumbler. So what you'll find with our tumblers is that the coatings will be bright white and you're going to get a vibrant finish. So anyways, I just wanted to share this with you because I know, there are a lot of beginners in the group, and these are things you might not be aware of. These products would look identical in a photo, and when you're ordering online, you have to be confident in what you're buying. You have to be careful. So that's why I show you this stuff. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and thanks for listening. We will talk to you all soon. Take care.